Did you know that proper lifting operations management can be the difference between operational excellence and catastrophic incidents? Organizations frequently struggle with managing lifting operations, facing challenges in equipment maintenance, regulatory compliance, and operational safety. Poor lifting management leads to increased safety risks, equipment damage, and potential regulatory violations. Lifting operations professionals often feel uncertain about complex regulatory requirements and technical standards, lacking comprehensive understanding of safe lifting practices. This knowledge gap creates significant safety and compliance risks. This course provides advanced tools for mastering lifting operations management. Participants learn sophisticated techniques for equipment inspection, maintenance planning, and safe operation protocols. Organizations gain enhanced capabilities in lifting operations, improving safety performance while ensuring regulatory compliance. The ability to effectively manage lifting operations becomes a critical operational competency. Individual participants become lifting operations specialists, capable of ensuring safe and efficient lifting activities. Teams learn collaborative approaches to maintaining and improving lifting safety standards. At the organizational level, expect improved safety performance, enhanced equipment reliability, and reduced operational risks. Professionals emerge with specialized expertise in lifting operations management. Transform your lifting operations management today.